The solution is very simple.
Yes.
It is first to accept that our economy is struggling.
Okay.
And when the economy is struggling, it went to the drawing board. To ikaranse mesa as a nation to running a king to went to kora.
Oh yes.
Namangana like negotiation. We agree in our expenditure. To manyanga nyona wanta wali kirechi gas. Do we have ghost workers? Nyongisi County ana igwa mangana ghost workers. But what we need is about evidence, not about the ESA. Sometimes politicians they use it for popularity, isn't it? So keratu aligiriga butuma kuligiga up na ande tumanyanga ki kibesa irenga to wakana towards the national wase county basket. Tumanyanga kibesa na chichi to bwata. Tumango ikaransa to create a budget giri chichi kogenda for mangana education achinde chigende emisahara. Na ande I've seen nyona sande keraya ikire abantu bali bawuchi ko retire baikire myaka go 60 and what they can be given an offer.
Yes.
They have early retirement. That's one of the strategy. You could reduce that wage bill.
Yes.
Voluntarily, and you have to follow. You know, I'm from the labor and the human rights. Not like dismissing somebody without a procedure yet again. Because again, the government will find itself in court or to a lot of litigations, isn't it? Okay. So there is a colleague that one. Na wakonyanga tuali this rig up. Na abantu babe ni college to wakana ebango. Once people bagwaka ne tax yere ndubuya kwaralire muna bononka ite Kisii County konyolere kibasa chikoru from the county, I mean the national government. It depends na leadership bono ye governor. What is the priority?
All right, thank you.